right, today I'm out in Josephine and I want to show you a new small community that's got no HOA, no mud, no PID, and is priced under 400 on a quarter-acre lot. This is going to be a new build community by Christie Homes, and you're like, Christie Homes, who is that? They're a newer builder here in DFW, smaller builder. They've got a community going in here in Josephine. They have a couple of lots in Lake Point in Lavon, and they have another community going in Van Alstyne. So I'm actually out in the Josephine community, going to walk through these homes, but their model is in Lavon. So here's what I'm gonna do. I want you to go, we're gonna take a tour through their model, kind of get a feel for their build quality. It's really, really neat. There's a lot of really cool stuff, and then I'll bring you back out here to Josephine after your tour, and we'll chat a little bit about them. So let's go tour that model home for Christie. Here we go. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Christie model home in Lavon. I'm back out here in Josephine, standing in one of their newly completed homes. It's ready to close. Christie as a builder, again, smaller builder, they've got some really cool stuff going on. I really like what they're doing, really appreciate what they're doing. You know, really great standard features. They've got the bigger baseboards, they've got high ceilings, cabinetry, like at an affordable price point. So I think if you're looking for something in Lavon, Josephine on a bigger lot, or Van Alstyne, they could be an option. And as a smaller builder, you might get a little bit better service. I've spent some time talking with them, really excited to have them building here at DFW. So as always, if I can help you with anything when it comes to buying, selling, building new construction in the DFW marketplace, my contact information is gonna be right down below. Reach out, would love to help you any way I can, answer any questions, advocate for you and your family, and get you into your next dream home. You can browse homes in the description down below this video if you're wanting to just kind of take a look, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching our video. Appreciate your time today. We'll see you in our next one. Bye for now.